One of the many reasons we came to India was to witness the most colorful and joyful celebration in the entire world, Holi. As one of the oldest Indian traditions, Holi is happening to celebrate the love of the gods Krishna and Radha. As the legend goes, Krishna spent his childhood in the town of Nandgaon, which still plays a very important role for Holi celebrations, and this is exactly where we are going today.
Welcome to the first Holi celebration in India of our lives. We have prepared as good as we could. Head to toe new outfits. And if you ask yourself why we could play in the musical Grease today, we are head to toe covered in coconut oil because we heard it should help with getting the color off afterwards. We've prepared ourselves with a lot of plastic.
So we're super excited to do this now. We're having a brekkie now, fill up our body with all the nice nutritions and then take a cab into... Where are we going? Nandgaon. Nandgaon. We're taking a cab to
Nandgaon.
Super excited, a bit scared, but it's gonna be awesome. Let's go. So we are now trying to get a taxi driver, which is pretty important when it comes to Holi because it's so crowded, you have to organize it in advance. So we talked with the staff of the hotel. They're organizing us a driver for 4,000 rupees for the whole day. I mean, it's 50 bucks. But he's gonna wait for us there the whole day, so if we decide after a couple hours it's enough for us, it's too much, we can go home. So I think that's the best decision that we could make. If you don't know what Holi is, it is probably the most famous Indian festival there is. It goes for over a week and the dates are quite tricky, so make sure to ask around to check the internet when and where it's happening.
So in Vrindavan here, Holi is so famous, they celebrate it for the whole week, and every day there's another city, village that has the lead, where you go to a temple or where the streets are filled with crowds. And the town we are heading now is 50 kilometers away from where we're staying in Vrindavan. There should be a big temple with a lot of color and water and celebration, and I'm very excited and I'm very afraid.
At the same time, yeah. Let's head there and have a lot of fun.
Yeah. Okay, until in a few hours. Okay, thank you.
Welcome to the festival parking of Holi here in Nandgaon.
Nandgaon.
We have a bit of a walk. Let's get a fun drink. Let's
Gets
get
you
the
going.
energy up. Yeah, that's right. And then get painted, right?
Yes, probably.
Oh, I love our outfit. We should walk around like this every day.
Okay, let's find the direction to the temple. Probably here, right?
I'd say let's just follow the people, the paint trails. But this is good. And of course, we needed to arm ourselves with color too.
I have no idea if this is running and if you can hear me, but I'm already soaked. It's a really nice purple color. I haven't used my color yet, so apparently we are a bit early. I kind of heard it's better to be early, and if you don't feel like it, you can leave, you know. So, okay, let's see how this goes. This is gonna be very interesting. Oh no! You really want to go there? Just run, 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 run.
We got a first water and color bath, as you might can tell.
Making our way up to the temple. It's not that crowded yet, maybe because we came early. I already can't see left. There's so much dirt on it.
Finally, we made it to the temple.
मीडिया कर्मी और होरियारे अपना पास दिखाएं, अपना पास अपना गले में लटका के।
This is crazy!
Okay, to go up you need a gate pass and it's for free, but you have to stand in line to get one and then you can go up. I think it's like to limit the number of people up there so nobody falls down. That's what I understood.
This is crazy here. It's just crazy. It's unbelievable. And we heard it's getting more and more. I don't really know what the exact time is now, but between 2 and 4 it's gonna climax here. So it just gets more from now on.
Make it here. This is insane that I'm here. I need more.
I feel like more and more people are coming. It's getting crazier by the minute, right?
I feel like I have so much of this stuff in my lungs and like in the teeth. I can feel it.
You're good.
Yeah.
Give me holding. Now a bit afternoon and it's already quite crazy, and we've heard that the actual celebration, the playing Holi, will take place at 3 to 4 p.m. So still a couple of hours until the madness gets to the climax. I'm not really sure if we are staying this long because it's already a lot, like everything is in India, but let's see about that. It is super crazy.
Let's take a picture. He's saying he wants to come to Germany with you.
I have husband.
Happy Holi, brother!
that has been an adventure. We made it out alive, barely. And now we're making our way back through the village, where we will probably be colored again, and then head off to the taxi. So this has been one of the craziest things that we've ever done.
100%.
100%. Oh man,
So crazy.
we're done.
I know you too. I know.
So now let's get to our cab and I don't know, pass out.
I like that they take us like this in a cab. Can you look at this? It's like pink slime.
All over.
Yeah.
And so.
It doesn't even fall off anymore. So like in the crowds, you just need to know you signed up for this. And it's super fun. And most people also, like, if you really say stop, then most people will stop. I feel like I have it in my mouth, I have it in my lungs, and I really need a shower. Like the biggest shower of my life. Oh, he's here, he waited for us. That's a plus, so, and let's see if we get in like this.
Oh yeah.
It's okay? Okay. Hello. Namaste. So he said he doesn't care if we get in. He was just pointing, go in, go in, go in. It looked like when you put too much flour in a dough and then it gets crumbly and you cannot use it anymore.
Finally back at the hotel, it was time to scrub the dough-like color off our bodies, which took a while.
One eternity later.
So what now, huh? After this crazy experience, we're pretty pooped, so
We're gonna order room service because the prices are good.
there's no food.
Wow. And it's hot.
How much did we pay? $5? $6?
Yeah, $6 for room service food.
Which looks amazing.
Fries. So these are deep fried vegetables.
Those are deep fried vegetables. Those
Yes.
are deep fried vegetables. 3 times.
No, this is. Oh yeah, you're right. That are fried potatoes. They just had starters at this time of the day, and everything you can order for starters is fried. Everything.
That's fine for me. We are really just chilling, relaxing. I'm super tired. Let's watch some Friends and eat and see you later.
He came in and he was looking at me and he was like, you've been at the Holi. And I was like, yeah, kind of.